Hello everyone. Today in this lecture we are going to talk about the modern foreign language educational process, management, organization, and educational technologies. So we are going to talk about the interpretation of the concept educational process and its components, the notion of the concept management in modern foreign language educational process, the organization of modern foreign language educational process, the explanation of the concept educational technology in the modern foreign language educational process. So the aim of the lecture is to introduce students concept of the modern foreign language educational process, management, organization, and educational technologies. The educational process may, in its widest sense, be defined as specially organized cooperation between students and teachers for educational, pastoral, and development process. So, according to Salima Sagievna Kunanbaeva, proposes to highlight the following types of structures of the educational process and their respective sets of components. So the structure of educational process are divided into three types. They are traditional, model, personality-centered interpretation of the educational process, and social pedagogical interpretation of the educational process. Also here you can see the set of components of each model and description of each component. Components of the educational process according to Salima Sagievna Kunanbaeva. The first one is methodological conceptual component. It integratively reflects basic pedagogical foundations. The next one is theoretical professional component. It consists of structural, content related, functional, professional, personality related, activity related, reflexive, and other features relating to the development of the student. And the last component is an educational technology component. It selects appropriate and innovative technologies, methods, and techniques for the developing of student. So the definition of the term management given by different authors. According to Albert, Meskin, and Hedori, management is a process of planning, organization, motivation, control necessary to formulate and achieve the goal of the organization. According to Tankangaya, Shipunov, and Kishke, the management is the purposeful impact on collective of people for the organization and coordination of activities in complex dynamic systems. And according to Afanasieva, management is the conscious, purposeful influence of people on the social system as a whole or on its separate links carried out on the basis of cognition and use of objective laws and trends in the interest of its effective functioning and development. The last definition is given by Igna, states that the management is a purposeful systematic impact of the teacher on the group of students and individual students in order to achieve the specified learning outcomes. Analyzing aforementioned definitions, it can be assumed that scientists interpret this term as process of planning, organization, motivation, control, purposeful impact on collectives of people, purposeful influence of people on the social system, purposeful systematic impact of the teacher on the group of students. Management of educational process provides the preservation of its integrity and the possibility of influencing the components. Effective functioning, the indicator of which is the achievement of the goal of the educational process.